Join us for this 9-hour dematting. Now, this guest flew in from Japan. She is originally from Germany, but she needed her hair dematted within the day because she was off to China the next morning. We grabbed our dream team and had a group of 6 for this dematting. Now, that doesn't mean we had 6 people working on her head all at once, but we do like to have more than enough people on the team just in case. When we do our demattings, we are on your time. We go until the mat is out and don't take breaks unless you want them. If you are on our TikTok live, then you already know how her mat formed. We love and appreciate you for all of your positive words. This mat formed 3 days ago. She had gotten box braids, and when she got her braids removed, she loved the way that her hair looked crimped, full, and she rocked it like that for a few days. When it came time to wash that out, when she started shampooing her hair, the mat started forming. We started off by saturating her hair with the product. Her hair was already wet, and if you have been on our page before, you know that we highly advocate to keep your mats dry. It is a big misconception that we see very often that water helps with mats. And if you did believe that, it is completely okay. That's what we are here for, to educate you guys with the knowledge that we know and have gathered after years of doing this. Even though adding water makes the process a little more strategic for us, our stylists are not discouraged, and it is nothing that we haven't seen before. With all of this being said, her hair was probably already a little tangled prior to getting in the shower, which caused it to mat up when she started shampooing herself. So before the shower, before getting in the ocean, before getting in the pool, make sure that your hair is tangle-less, because this can happen to anyone for a variety of different reasons. Mats do not have a preference of hair type, a preference of texture. Really, sometimes just happens, guys, and we understand. 9 hours later, we got her hair free. We gave her a good loving scrub and a style however she wanted. The haircut, style, wash, all comes with the dematting service. We always get asked if it's an extra charge. No, it is not. This is just the cherry on top of the journey we went through together. If you or anyone you know is struggling with matted hair, I promise you are not alone, and nothing is impossible. We have a team of determined stylists who are very experienced in this process. This is a judgment-free zone, so please, positive vibes only. Remember, we handle every dematting a little differently because every situation is completely different. If you're interested in booking a dematting for yourself or someone you know, call our salon and book yourself for a dematting consultation. We will get you in as soon as we possibly can.
Okay, now turn back around one more time. Perfect.